Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are diving into an event that shook the balance of power in South Asia. Yes, we are talking about the 2025 Limited War. Where Pakistan not only shot down 6 Indian fighter jets, including the much hyped Rafales, but also destroyed India's S-400 air defense system and neutralized Israeli supplied drones, trying to enter Pakistani airlines. And here's the kicker. India, overwhelmed by these losses, begged the United States to mediate a ceasefire. This wasn't just social media talk. The international defense analysts and media outlets confirmed every bit of it. It all started with the false flag operation in Pahalgam, located in India's illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. As anticipated, India's BJP government swiftly blamed and attacked Pakistan, resulting in the deaths of innocent civilians, including children. Why? Many believe it was a distraction, a political stunt to influence upcoming state elections in Bihar. But this time, Pakistan didn't just reject the narrative, it responded.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our coward enemy. Alhamdulillah.
That with precision, the Pakistan Armed Forces immediately raised surveillance across the line of control and was ready. When Indian jets crossed the red line, Pakistan acted swiftly and decisively. In this whole war, 6 Indian jets were downed, among them French-made Rafale jets and Rafale fighters, the pride of Indian Air Force. India had claimed in past Rafale would guarantee air superiority, but Pakistan's Red Line defense system, equipped with James III radar and JF-17 Block 3 Thunder jets armed with CM-400 AKG missiles, locked onto their targets and neutralized them mid-air. This wasn't just Pakistan's claim. Al Jazeera, TRT World, The Diplomat all reported India's S-400 defense system, bought from Russia, was thought to be a game changer. But during the 2023 Indus Shield exercises, Pakistan had already tested tactics against it. So when time came, Pakistan launched precision strikes using its steel rain drones and hypersonic missiles, sending shockwaves through global defense circles. India also deployed Israeli drones like the Heron TP, the Harop and the Sky Striker. But Pakistan's ZDK-3, AWACS and Silent Viper jamming pods turned the tables. They jammed the signals and took control of the airspace and brought those drones down. Defense analyst Robert Farley stated Pakistan's neutralization of Israeli drone technology shows the maturity of its electronic warfare capabilities. With drones down and jets downed, S-400s destroyed and the drones neutralized, India was left stunned and exposed. In panic, India reached out to the United States, urging a ceasefire. The US Secretary of State contacted Pakistan asking for de-escalation. Pakistan's calm and firm response? We acted purely in self-defense. India was the aggressor. This conflict proved a powerful truth. A nation that combines advanced technology, strategic thinking, and the unshakable resolve that can defeat even the well-equipped adversaries. Pakistan didn't just defend its skies, it refined and redefined the future of regional warfare. Pakistan Zindabad.